Alright, here we go. It's a brand new 2024 Honda Odyssey EXL Braunability XI in-floor handicap wheelchair conversion van. Again, this van is brand new. 2024 Honda Odyssey EXL. Gorgeous, loaded all the way around. Give you the full tour. These new Braunability vans are beautiful inside and out. They're fully loaded with every option. This is an EXL model, leather, sunroof. All your options. Is an in-floor ramp. This is the XI model. Does have the footrest. Dual doors, of course. We can add any easy locks, transfer seats, anything you would need. This does come with brand new Straint retracting tie down system. I'll show you everything it comes with. This is a brand new van, 2024. It's got 20 miles on it. Just landed. Brand new conversion. We've been in business since 1977. 47 years. We're happy to help you if we can. Every van comes with 2 key fobs, all the remotes, all the owner's manuals, everything. Straints, extra seat belt. These vans come fully loaded. There's nothing you need. Unless you need an easy lock, a transfer seat, or hand controls, we can install them for you. We can guarantee the best price. Fully loaded leather, sunroof, got your big screen here with all your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This is a XI in-floor ramp with a kneeling function. Show you everything works. Got dual power doors, which is nice. Power lift gate. Power lift gate. So here in this box with the Braunability brand new vans, you get 4 cup holders, you get your seat belts that you need. They all go into the L tracks, all of your original owner's manuals. You get a full set of Straint retractors, front license plate holder if you need it. Our state doesn't require it, your state might. Again, we are a Braunability certified dealer. Of course, all your original floor mats are here. We are a Braunability certified dealer here in Boca Raton, Florida. We also do service. We got this van priced right. It's under MSRP, and we give everyone 1 year free maintenance at our shop on the Braunability equipment, not including parts. Everything is under warranty, of course. You do get a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. And also the factory warranty is still in place on the vehicle itself. The MSRP on this van is $81,910. We have that price beat. And if you find one cheaper somewhere else, we will match it. This is 1,000 pounds weight capacity. Your door entry is 54.5 inches. This is an awesome setup. Can't beat it. This thing is priced right. Give us a call. We got financing, flexible terms. Happy to help at any time. Call 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. Beautiful Braunability, brand new 2024 Honda EXL. Fully loaded leather. We're happy to help at any time. We can ship anywhere in the US. On these new vans, we can ship anywhere in the USA. Unfortunately, we can't ship them internationally. Any used van we can ship internationally. On these new vans, they have to be sold here in the US. don't hesitate to give us a call. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken.